Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a HONOR X7A and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find about phone. Now we have to find the build number, which is as you can see right here, so we do not have to enter any other sections. And right now all we have to do, which may be quite confusing, we have to keep tapping on the build number until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock current set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so after tapping on the build number, we have to go back and find the developer options. So I believe they will be in the system and updates, and as you can see right here we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, here we can select the USB configuration. We've got also the Wi-Fi options and the Bluetooth, which simply means that here we've got the networking options. We can show, for example, pointer location or change window animation scale. So basically, if you want to turn on the option, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher here, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by going to the very top of this list and tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, we just automatically got back to the system and updates, and your device will remove the developer options. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the developer options in your HONOR X7A. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.